Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I just wanted to show you my latest kit. I just put it out. It's the autumn kit, and it's kind of different because I usually do all the main pages of a big kit and then all the little pieces as an add-on kit. But in this one, I didn't do as many pages, and I just did a few pages of ephemera, and I put it all together into one because it's all about autumn. So I thought I'd show it to you real quick. And by the way, I am going to get right back to the Christmas journal and finish it up. I have not forgotten, but I thought I have a little bit of time. I think people are working on autumn and Christmas and all sorts of things. So I got the Christmas one going, and so I will come back to it. But anyway, here we go. I'm going to show you. So these are the pockets. So there's like big pocket here. These are two corner pockets when you cut them out. You cut them here and here. And two smaller pockets, and then these two pockets. So there's 7 pockets all together. And here's some of the ephemera, belly band, a couple of cards, and a couple more cards with some scriptures, a couple of bottom pockets, a couple more cards, some ginkgo leaves for you to cut out. And of course I had to do, it's fall, y'all. And then these are the pages. So these are full pages that you can cut or fold in half if you want to use them as journal pages. So that's why they're kind of divided in the middle, more or less, some of them. This one. To everything there is a season and a time to every purpose under the heaven. Ecclesiastes 3:1. And if you're like me, the song goes through your head every time you see that scripture. And here's another page. I think these colors came out really good. And this one, some watercolor. Texture of the paper, I like that a lot. Ginkgo leaves, paper texture. And this is the last one, so we'll just leaves, some French, and there we go. So that is the kit. It's out on Etsy. Jesus Junk Journals is the name of my shop. So if you like this and want to include it in your autumn journal, that's where it's at. And meanwhile, I will come back. I'm working on a couple of kits in my head, so I'm going to finish the Christmas journal, and then I've talked about several things, but I'm praying about this and waiting to see what comes up as the next thing. I said it was going to be this, and then I said it was going to be that, and so I'm trying to settle on exactly what is supposed to be the next thing. So anyway, I'll talk to you soon. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.